Now let us go to exercise 1.2 for sum. Question is, write down a pair of integers whose sum is -7. That means we need to add two numbers to get -7. So when we put 1 plus of -8, we get 1 different sign, minus 8, we get the answer as -7. So the pair of integers here is 1 and -8. So let us go to part B. Here they have asked this difference is -10. So we need to subtract two numbers to get -10. So there are many possibilities. The one is, let us try with this number. That is 4 minus of +14. That is 4 different sign, minus 14, we get -10. So one pair here is 4, +4 and +14. Let us try with another number. That is -7 and negative of that is 3. -7, -3, we get answer as -10. So the another pair here is -7 and +3. Let us go to the next sum. Sum is 0. What they have asked is we need to add two numbers to get the answer as 0. So it is very simple. +1 plus -1. That means 1 minus 1 is also 0. 2 minus 2 is also 0. 3 minus 3 is also 0. So this is the answer for this sum. Let us go to the next sum is, write the pair of negative integers whose difference gives 8. What we should do is we need to subtract two numbers so that we get the answer as 8. That number should be as a negative integer. Here, that means here the number should be in negative and here also the number should be negative. When we subtract two numbers, we should get the answer as 8. So let us try with this number, -2 and -10. So that we will get -2 plus 10 is 8. Okay, so the pair of integers here is -2 and -10. So let us go with part B. So the B part here is, write a negative integer and a positive integer whose sum is -5. What they want us to do is we need to add two numbers so that we get the answer -5. So it must be in negative. One number should be in negative and we need to know the other number. So let us put this number as x. So let us consider as my -7. So -7 plus x equal to -5. X equal to -5 minus, sorry, when it comes here it becomes plus. So it is +7. So x equal to +2. So the two numbers here are, one is -7 and +2. So let us go to the next sum, that is part C. The C part is just similar question like part B, where write a negative integer and a positive integer whose difference is -3. That means we need a negative integer and a positive integer, and the difference should be -3. So let us consider a small number. Just we are assuming a number as 5. -5 minus x equal to -3. That means x equal to -3 plus 5. So we get the answer as 2 minus x. So when the sign becomes here, so x is equal to -2. So one number here is -5 comma -2. We can just assume another number also in this part as, let us try with the -3 minus a positive number 1 equal to -3. So, sorry, it's x here. and negative 3. Negative 3, negative x equal to negative 3. Negative x equal to negative 3 plus 3. So here the x equal to 0. So let us do with another integer, that is negative 8 minus a positive number, it should be x, we don't know the number, is equal to negative 3. So negative x is equal to negative 3 plus 8 when it comes here. So the answer is 5. So negative x. So x is equal to 5. So the another value here is negative 8 comma 5. So there are many pair of integers we get here when we use different types of numbers.